Hey guys, so I'm doing a tank treatment on my FZ50. So I figured I would kind of just record the process for everybody. So you don't want any plastic or anything in the tank when you're putting the solution in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this all off. Just kind of pry up, nice and gently. You got 4 screws. There's a little gasket in there. To get this piece off, I would suggest just lightly tapping it. Get a little hammer, some, screwdriver, and just kind of give it a few taps around, real gently, and then it should just slide right out. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my other hoses. There's some filters on these. I already loosened them up. I just took some grabbers and just kind of freed them up a little bit, and then just pulled them up. I'm gonna be careful because of the filter. Pull them out straight is what I mean by be careful. Alright, so I got the 2 ports sealed off, and we're gonna go ahead and kind of put our tank in here and just prop it up. Alright, so I went ahead and elevated my tank just to kind of have it level, and now it's time to pour the solution in. So once that's soaked for about 2 to 8 hours, whatever your tank needs, you're gonna go ahead and pour that back in. And then your last step is rinsing out the tank with some water. So once you've washed your tank with water, I would suggest, if you can, get a rag in there and just kind of clean out the rest of the water if you can't get it all out, which in my case I cannot. There's just a little bit of water, and just kind of guide that towel just around. Once you have completely cleaned it out, you are good to reinstall and fill it up with gas again.